Welcome to the India's first floating market in none other than the city of joy, Kolkata. Situated right next to the Bishwa Bangla Shoroni, this market is a visual spectacle. After Thailand, Vietnam and Indonesia, India is the fourth country to have a market of this kind. Housing over 200 shops, it functions solely on boats at the lake in Patuli, where shopkeepers sell fruits, vegetables, fish, among other produce. Around 10 crore Indian rupees has been spent to develop this water body. Wooden walkways have been constructed to help buyers and shopkeepers reach the boats. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this.